Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to extract the graphs from the PDF files and then digitize them in a very fast and accurate way as much as possible. So what we need to do, first of all, we go to the free PDF version and we click on extract graph from PDF. So in this case, now you have this here tool where you will select your PDF file where you want to extract the graph, and let's say we have an extract graph from in this file. So we will open this file and see what folders we have, what data graph we have that we want to extract. So let's say we have this graph we want to extract. So we will select this graph here, and then we have another graph here. We want to select the data here, and then you will go select another one. Let's say you have another graph here. Okay, you have another graph here. You will have, that's all. So now you will select the view. These are the four graphs that we want to extract. I will now close this one and download all file as a zip folder. So now you will need to wait 30 seconds till the graph goes in my inbox. It's the free version, so we will put some advertisements as well as some wait time. But in the premium version there will be no advertisements and there will be no wait time, so you can get your files as fast as possible. That's the way we can support ourselves. So in this case, now you will see that the files will go in the download folder, and then we will extract that folder and bring it to the another tool to extract the data. So I'll click on this one. So now I have my files ready. So first let's check the graph that we downloaded. So in this case we downloaded four graphs. So you can see this is one of it, this is second of it, this is third of it, and this is four of it. And the good thing is that we all the files downloaded has the names of the file that you uploaded. So you can see image, and also it tells you from which page you extract the image. So in this case, now we have these four. I will copy this folder and bring it to the main one here. And now after doing this, I will go back to the plot digitizing app. So here we have an option of the, here you can see open web plot digitizer. So once you open this one, so it will directly take you to the app. Now you are in an app of a window where you can digitize all these graphs. So what you need to do, you click on the load image, you choose files, and then now in the download folder you already have extracted data that you just input. So all you need to do, go to the file, load images, choose files, and in the download folder you have those data. All those for the graph that you extracted are here. So you select these four of them, then click on open. So these are all 2D plots, so we align axes with them definitely. So in this case you can, now the next step is to fix the axis. So here we have to click on 0 0. This is our x1, and I will say that 13, 14, 15, and this is 16. I will click on x2, then we have to select the y1, then we have to select the y2. Okay, once you click on this, you click on the complete section, and then you need to input these values. So it start from 0, and then you add up on, let's say, 16. Then your y is also starting from 0, and y goes to 120. Then we click on OK. So now our axis is set. Now we are ready to extract the data. So there are three ways we can extract the data from here. And the second thing I want to explain before I extract the data, that all your images are given here. Okay. Here you have, here all your graphs are given here, so you can extract the data very nicely and easily, very fast. So once you are here, in this case, you can, there are three ways to extract the data. First, you add the manual points. So you want to select this one, 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 and this one. So now you can see that this is your default data set, and here you can view the data that you extracted. So also here you can make it till last two digits. So you can, and then you can download the data in .csv file. Okay, here you have the x-axis and here you have the y-axis. Both data, either you can copy it or you can download in the CSV file here and so on. The other way to collect the data is to select the color. For example, now you have you select the box. Okay, now you have the data here. Okay, but the color, I want to pick the color. I want to select this data only. So I will select this one. Then I will select the box, and then I will click on the run. And now you see that all the data is extracted here. Okay, in this case, it couldn't detect the different colors here. So I will go back and delete, make it erase all data point, and then I will use the pen option here. So pen option will select, I want to select the data points here, and then I will click on the run. And now you see that all the data is extracted. You can see the view data points here, all the data is here, and then you can download the CSV file. All the data is digitized, and then you can further utilize this one. Yeah, here you have the data. So other option is, now you want to now this one for was the single line. How we can do it for multiple lines? So here what we can do, we have a default data set. So what we will do here, go to the data set, we add one more data sets here. So add single, or if you want to, let's say 4 lines, you can do at 4 multiple. So now you have 4 multiple data sets. So in this case, I will go to select the pen, I will go like this, and then I will run. Okay, yeah, I will select this one, and in this one I will first select this color, and then I will use the pen, and then I will run it. So now you see that all the data is extracted here. And then I would like to select the another color, which is this one, and then I will use the pen marker. Here I will use the pen marker, and then I will click on run in the data set 2. So in the data set 2, I will select this color and click on the pen option. So I want to select this data, and then I will click on the run, and you see that the data is now extracted. So you can see there's a problem, it's not good enough. So I will clear it and make the width of the pen, I'll first erase all of it, reduce the pen. So I will just select all this data, and then I will click on the run. So now you see that all the data is collected. Same wise, I will click on the number 3, and I will select all the data points here, and then I will click on run. Again, I did not selected this color, so that's why it didn't extract it. So now I selected the color, and then I will select the pen, and then you can see the data is extracted. So now we have data set 1, data set 2, data set 1, and okay, now I want to download all the data. So in this case, I will go to the data set, export all data, download CSV file. So once I click on it, so I will have all the data downloaded here. So now you can see data set 1. So now you have a data set 1, data set 2, data set 3, data set 4, and all of them. And the other thing you can do is you can directly go to the format cells and number, and you can reduce it to 2. Okay, you can reduce, since it is format cell, reduce it to 2. Okay, do it here. Okay, so the other way you can reduce the data set into 2, you click on the data set, view data, and then you can click on the fixed one. So now you have all the data in 2 formats here. Same for, you can click here, all the data goes here, and then now you can actually go to this, export all data again. I will explain. So now you can see that sorry, so I will click on export all data, download a CV. So you can see now we have one data here, another line here, third line here, fourth line here. That's how we downloaded all for digitize our graph very fast. And so that's how we can digitize the graph and download using this app.